Planning for MHT CET 2026? Here's your complete overview of exam dates, eligibility, syllabus, and preparation strategy. Everything you need to know in one place. MHT CET is a state level entrance exam conducted for admissions into engineering, pharmacy, and agriculture courses across Maharashtra colleges. This exam is crucial for students seeking affordable and reputed institutions within the state. Mark your calendar. Notification release December 2025. Registration December 2025 to February 2026. Exam dates for PCB group April 2026. For PCM group April 19 to 27, excluding April 24. Admit cards March 2026. Results June 2026 tentatively. To register, visit cetcell.mahaset.org starting December. Steps include new registration, filling personal and academic details, uploading documents, and paying the fee. The fee is 1000 rupees. Late fees apply after February. Always save your application number and password carefully, since you'll need them for admit card and results. The MHT CET exam has seen an increase in the number of candidates appearing over the years. In 2024, out of the 7,25,052 candidates, 6,75,377 candidates appeared for the exam, making the attendance of 93.15%. There was a hike of approximately 0.5% in the attendance from 2023. This year, with almost 9 lakh students registering for the MHT CET 2025 exam, the attendance and competition level is expected to rise as well. Eligibility is simple. You must be an Indian national having passed or appearing for class 12 or equivalent. For engineering, subjects required are physics, mathematics, and chemistry or biology. For pharmacy, physics and chemistry along with mathematics or biology. Minimum marks 45% for general category and 40% for reserved categories. And there is no age limit, and BSc or diploma holders can also apply. The exam is online, 3 hours long and held in 2 shifts daily. There are 150 questions in total. For the PCM group, physics, chemistry and mathematics. For the PCB group, physics, chemistry and biology. Marking scheme. Physics and chemistry carry 1 mark each, while mathematics or biology questions carry 2 marks each. There is no negative marking, so attempt all questions. The syllabus is based on Maharashtra Board Class 11 and Class 12, with 80% weightage to Class 12 topics and 20% to Class 11. Core subjects are physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. Recently added topics include vectors, error analysis, chemistry in everyday life, and conic sections. NCERT textbooks are recommended as the foundation for preparation. For physics, Objective Physics by D.C. Pandey. For chemistry, Physical Chemistry by O.P. Tandon. For mathematics, R.D. Sharma's Class 11 and 12 books. Alongside these, NCERT books and previous year question papers are a must for practice. Focus on high weightage topics such as trigonometric functions, P-block elements, and wave theory of light. Build exam stamina with mock tests to improve time management. Understand the exam pattern thoroughly to maximize accuracy. And most importantly, revise NCERT concepts regularly to strengthen your foundation. MHT CET 2026 is your gateway to engineering, pharmacy, and agriculture careers in Maharashtra. Start early, prepare smartly, and keep track of deadlines on the official website cetcell.mahaset.org. With consistent practice and clarity on exam pattern, your dream college in Maharashtra is within reach.